What's the meaning of Brooklynese? Brooklynese. Brooklynese.
Brooklynese. Brooklynese. Brooklynese refers to a specific dialect of English that is commonly spoken in the borough of Brooklyn, New York City. It is characterized by unique pronunciations and colloquialisms that set it apart from other forms of English, such as dropping the R sound at the end of words and using slang phrases like deadass or yeah. This dialect has been popularized in various forms of media, including movies and TV shows set in Brooklyn. Despite its distinctiveness, Brooklynese is still considered a subset of American English, and its usage is largely limited to the Brooklyn area and its surrounding neighborhoods.